Hey everyone, it's Miss Jen, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a chocolate peanut butter mug cake. A mug cake is such a fun dessert when you're really looking for something sweet, but you don't want to use all the ingredients or the time that it takes to make a full cake. So here's what you need to make this cake. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of butter melted, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, plus a pinch of salt, about a heaping teaspoon of peanut butter, and some chocolate chips. So here's what we're gonna do, and it's this easy. You're gonna add all of these ingredients except for the peanut butter and the chocolate chips, whisk them together, then add the peanut butter and chocolate chips, and then microwave it for 3 minutes. So let's do that. First, the 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, the 1/4 teaspoon plus the sprinkle of salt. Then I'm just going to take a fork and whisk it all together. Then I'm going to add my chocolate chips, whisk those in. Then my scoop of peanut butter. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to mix it in a little bit so it's kind of buried in the cake, in the mixture, so that when it bakes, it'll kind of have a peanut butter center. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna check back with you. So I checked on this cake at about 2.5 minutes, and it looked and smelled like it was done. The best thing about this cake is that because it doesn't use any eggs, if it's a little undercooked, kind of like some brownie batter, that's okay. You can choose to enjoy this cake with a scoop of ice cream or perhaps some whipped cream, or you can just dig right in. Enjoy.